In this tutorial, I show 3 methods that help you to uncover and find hidden 3D images in stereograms.
Please subscribe to watch our new videos and tutorials.
Introduction. If you don't know how to look stereograms and find the hidden image, this method can be the easiest way away. So please watch this video carefully and you may be surprised. Before the practice, I must tell you an important fact that will lighten up your mind and shows the concept that how do you must look to the stereograms. First of all, forget to looking at stereograms like an ordinary image and the way you look to normal images. I show you a scene from top view to show you better what is this concept and actually what must you do to understand what I mean. The main concept for watching stereogram to find hidden 3D image, you must use parallel convergence sight. To do this, consider that your eyes must adjusted to see something behind the monitor or stereogram. Because stereograms have depth, and when you watch them correctly, you see 3D depth of image. Now you can use masking tape or something else to make a sign behind your monitor or stereogram image. Or even you can make a sign on some point on the wall behind your monitor or stereogram. By this way, we are simulating the depth and must look this sign behind the monitor to find the correct adjustment of the eyes to practice 3D sight for seeing stereograms. Method number 1. For more explanation or an exact example, consider a fish tank. Now consider the fish tank is the monitor or a stereogram image. If you look at the front glass of fish tank, you see only the glass because your eyes are focused on the front glass, and fished inside are blurry to your eyes. This is what happens when you look to stereogram images showing on a monitor or the other media depicting the stereogram as normal image that doesn't work. Now try looking to fish tank inside and focus your eyes on the fishes or other things floating inside the fish tank. This is the correct eye adjustment you must use to see the stereograms. Please remember this when you want to see the stereograms and want to see them in 3D state. Because stereograms have a hidden depth, and when you want to see them 3D, you must see them in depth, and your eye adjustment must focus on behind the image. Method number 2. Show a stereogram on the monitor and adjust the monitor distance to the wall behind it about ½ meters or 1.6 foot approximately. Note that we need a wall behind this monitor for the next step. For the next step, attach 2 pieces of masking tape on the top edge of the monitor with a distance of 2 pattern of the stereogram that are next to together. Use the tape's lower part for attaching the monitor top edge, just like showing in the image. Now attach 2 pieces of masking tape on the back wall in AX shape or something you like, and focus your eyes on the tapes on the monitor edge. You see 2 pieces clearly and the back wall tapes unfocused. That is okay for now. Now focus your eyes of the X-shaped tapes on the back wall. See them clearly and notice that the 2 tape pieces are blurry, and they are seen 3 pieces this time. If you don't see them 3 pieces, adjust your distance to the monitor so that you see them in 3 pieces. You must lock your eyes to this adjustment and slowly slip your eyes to the stereogram image. You must see some change in the stereogram image now and see some depth on the image. Congratulations! You are seeing and viewing the stereogram correctly and see 3D text that is hiding in the stereogram image. Method number 3.
In this method, you need a transparent PVC sheet, smaller than A4 paper. Then draw 2 black points on it with a magic marker with a space about 2 or 3 centimeters. Then, make X sign with masking tape like the previous method on the wall. Then, hold the PVC sheet above the stereogram and top edge of the monitor. Focus your eyes on the black dots and see 2 dots, and the tapes on the wall are blurry. And when you focus on the X sign, you see it clear, but now see 3 dots on the PVC sheet. If you don't see 3 dots on the sheet, adjust your distance to the monitor until you see 3 dots on the PVC sheet. Now lock your eyes to this focus state and slowly slide down the PVC sheet to the stereogram image. If your eyes are in the correct focus, you must see some changes on the stereogram image and see some depth in it. This shows that you are watching the stereogram correctly, and keep your eyes in the position and you can put the PVC sheet away. And congratulations! You have learned how to see stereogram images nice and easy. And in this image, you can see the 3D text that was hidden in the stereogram images. Now, you can see all stereograms made to watch and enjoy to see a hidden 3D hologram image in them. Now look to the image we used in this tutorial in full screen, and in the following some other stereograms I was made before, and now you can see them in 3D and in the correct depth image. Hope you enjoy this simple images in 3D for the first time. Please like this video and subscribe us to see our new stereograms we upload in this channel. Your like and subscribe is a great support for us. Thanks for watching this video to the end. See you soon in the next video. Until the next video, bye.